This is a guitar lesson on how to play Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. This lesson also comes with the free interactive tab, and if you want to grab that download to play along with it, just get the link above or you'll find it in the description below. And if you want to be kept up to date for future lessons, just hit that subscribe button. I do many modern songs each week. Question of the week this week is, what is your biggest challenge on guitar right now? Post a comment below. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to begin with the 4 chords. Capo 3rd fret. 4 chords are D minor, A minor, C, and the 4-finger G. Now, you can use the 3-fingered if you wish. 4-finger tends to sound better for this song. And then what we've got is, looking below, you will see the rhythm. So we've 2 bars of each chord, 2 bars of D minor, 2 bars of A minor, and so on. And this is the whole song, promise you that. So have a look at the rhythm. It's just going down, 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 up, the whole time. So I'll play it once through very slowly. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now very brief practice pointers. Main points to practice for this will be in the description below. I'd recommend you check it out. Like, I haven't taught this in a few lessons. The big things are the change from the G back to D minor. Bit of an unusual change. And also the speed. It goes at 171 BPM. So we're around 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to D minor. And this is the chord sequence for the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. So I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for far too long, and all that. You see, it's around that speed. And then the pre-chorus, that it is cold and empty, no one around to judge me. Right? And then you're gone on, and I said, ooh. And you can stop on the G towards the end of that if you wish. It's optional. And that is all the chords of the whole thing. Now, let's get into the main riff. Let's take a look at the main melody, the bit that goes. Okay, now, if you've heard this song a lot, you're in a good place for this, because I'm going to do it by ear. And I'd recommend take a listen to the main melody. You see there is music notation underneath if you wish to read it. I'm going to do this by ear for players. So we start with the 3rd fret up from the capo, and we go 3, 3, 1. So that first bar goes. And we're straight up back onto that 3 again. So it goes. That's the first way I'd break down that bit. Play that a few times. Bum, bum, ba, bum. Then the second bar. Again, get off the 3 to the 0 quick. And you'll notice I'm separating those notes out. Another practice point to watch, a common error that can happen is players go. They let the 3 there in the second bar and the 0 ring. We want them separate, so pick the note and get off it. Those 2 bars together, you'll notice the first and second bar are repeated to make the 3rd and the 4th bar. So it's just the same thing played twice. You go. And again. Okay, 3rd bar, 3, 0, 3, 1. We do that again. Okay, so that's the same thing repeated again. And notice with the 3 in that other bar, so we're on bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bar 6, you'll see it goes 3, 0, 3, 1, 3. And after that, there's a 3 in a bracket followed by another 3. That basically means that you let that ring out for 2 bars. So it'd be going all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, bum. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and again. Bum, bum, ba, ba, bum, bum. Like that. Now, there is an interactive tab for this as a free download. I said it at the start, but just again, if you want to grab it, it's in the index card above or the description below. And as you saw, it'll play along and you can play your guitar along with it. When I was learning guitar, like I learned so much off those sort of tabs because visually you can see it move and even you can use your ear then. So you don't need to read so much music notation, although it is a good skill to have. But if we want to play a cool song fairly quick, there's a good way to go about it. And those are all the parts of Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. Alright, so if you want to keep up to date on the channel, just hit subscribe below. Smash a like on the button if you want to keep up to date for any more of them. Many more modern music lessons going up week by week. The playlist is down below as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.